Back again. Finally time for a new install video. This is what I've been waiting to do for a while. All the carving going on. Hopefully we can do it all in one day. It's 9 o'clock right now. Oh, actually it's 9:40. Severe's pissed at me. I'm supposed to be there at 10, but here we are. So let's get all this stuff put in there. Hopefully we can fit it. Where's my steering wheel at? Oh, steering wheel's gonna be around right here. A bunch of other stuff. But yeah, let's get this all thrown in there. Hopefully it fits. You know what they say, modern problems require modern solutions. It's safe, trust me. So as you can see, we got everything to fit. So this ain't going nowhere because I said it's not going nowhere. So yeah, it's pretty good. You can still see out of my rear view. Oh, not my rear view, but my side view. So yeah, rear view is not. Don't try this at home, kids. Never drive really safe. And we'll be back when we get to the shop. Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Sir, no paparazzi. Not today.
No, sir.
No paparazzi.
Did you like? Did you like?
Hit that, bro. Did you see that?
Yeah. So, made it to the shop, barely. It's almost had a little sliding incident, but we made it. The other thing was Harlem shaking in there.
You've been hanging around Mexicans too much. You didn't even strap it down or nothing.
What do you mean? What do you need straps for? I said it's not going anywhere, so that's all I need to be said. Stock ass car. Honda parking only, sir.
This is a Honda. This is a K20 swap.
Oh shit, you're right. I knew it sounded familiar. That black car in the fun life, huh?
How many do you get on the list? I can park mine behind you.
This way, then. I don't have them. Bro, it's like $80.
After we looked at it, I sent that link to my brother-in-law. We just put them on his.
What? Do you have pictures?
But it took me like 20 minutes to put all 4 on.
Damn.
You should have done it. It was so worth it. It makes it look so much better.
Shit. It took like.
Especially when you see 7, so it's all water. Like that makes it look hella old because that motion out of bulb.
Yeah, that.
A long ass strip with one bulb. It's so
Yeah,
annoying.
that looks.
I hate that.
No, that looks like shit. Fuck.
You gotta order that. No, he's not coming. He's not coming? Why? I told him to come. He's like, I don't want to drive that. So I was like, alright. And then yesterday he flaked, so I was like, alright.
The C7 guy?
I'm gonna give him one more chance.
You know why? Because next week he's going to our... No, on the internet. Photos? Yeah. Why?
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, this book?
Much better.
Yeah.
Got this new Fittedracing carbon fiber lip just came in.
It just came out.
Just dropped.
We had it packaged to show people
Yeah.
how they come to your house.
Yeah.
I fucked up and didn't wear my shoes. It was like hella muddy and like slick.
Hydro dip. That looks good.
It's a lot of money for not a lot of carbon. But it is what it is.
It's all the it's the packaging, the little rubber grommets right here, so it doesn't, so it doesn't like crack. I mean, we don't need.
And then the sides,
Oh, yeah.
something like that. I don't know, something like that.
Yeah.
No, it goes right here. Like,
They don't make these in carbon?
no.
No.
Well, they do, but
Hella expensive.
yeah.
No, I was just looking compared to your stock ones.
Yeah, no, it's kind of annoying that it's black, not carbon.
That's
but
pretty normal.
yeah. It goes like right there. It's kind of weird.
Yeah, those are the
It looks
three torques
nice.
behind.
It's gonna look sick.
It's
I
dope.
think it goes this way.
It's universal. You put it either way on either side.
No. Yeah, it goes like this.
Should be good. You don't want to screw it on too tight, so you just want to have like one or two on here, just so you don't crack it, you know? Yeah, so we'll put one more in and then it'll be good. Got a couple bolts in so far. I guess they're screws, but that's how it's looking. Dude, I really need to wash this, but we'll go ahead and wash this after. And right now, probably gonna get the sides put on and get the rest of this hardware put in. See what it'll look like. Oh yeah, you might have to. I think you might have to take that off. Yeah,
I don't think you take this off.
you can like. It doesn't.
Oh,
come
it goes
off.
through it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what happened. Yeah.
So yeah, do that. It's looking a lot better already though.
The one that you just had to record it doesn't
Hey.
fucking go.
It's good. I don't know if I can edit this out. My editing skills aren't that great.
My editing skills freaking delete the files.
I don't know how to do that either.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, those holes are like fat. They don't even fit. So I don't know how it like.
What?
Got you. My small battery has a light.
Did you order it straight from the...
I think that looks super clean. Especially if I've been nothing there before. Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
Hey, but yours though. What about yours?
Yeah, what happened to yours?
We know what happened to it. Austin's roommate had it.
Bought it, he sold it to somebody,
Damn.
then
True.
yeah. Yeah. He was talking about yeah, and then
cord is good. The cord survived.
The cord! You ran. No, you're good.
Oh, oh, got it on video.
Yeah.
It's the bat signal
Yeah.
going on next. You can put 3M tape on here, just slam the car down onto it. Yeah. Yeah.
3 is maximum. Maximum.
Oil. Just keeps it authentic. Dang, that's gonna look hella good. Hey, that's a dope angle. Yeah, that changes the whole look of everything. Got the sides too. Got it on the ground. Check that out. Getting some quick pictures. Probably gonna get the sides done Thursday. Hopefully I don't, knock on wood, hopefully I don't hit the sides on anything before the
Driveway.
yeah. Oh yeah, the steering wheel too. It's gonna be a separate video on this. The inside view for now. I got a bunch of little interior details I gotta put on. So yeah, I'll probably, in this video here, I might throw some pictures in, or I might go take some pictures later. But this can be the formal end, so be sure to like, share, subscribe, and follow John on Instagram. Shout it out.
Fittedracing at Fittedracing.
Fittedracing. There's no sketchy stuff going on here at all. Don't worry about that. Everything is 100%.
This isn't good enough, garage. This is Fittedracing.
Don't look at the. If sometimes you want mismatched fitment, so we can do that for you. Oh.
this thing is super low. It's good, right? It's good. Dude, this thing is sick.
I just really can't even believe that this is my car. Say it's coming a long way. It's only been like 3 months. Got the front splitter on, carbon front splitter with a custom front splitter underneath. Got the carbon sides on. Lowered it a little bit. You can't tell. Now I'm waiting on the carbon